Okay, so we are going to be continuing the makeup because I do have to go out. We're also going to be trying another makeup technique which is going viral, which is the under eyeliner. So I think we should get started. And I can already hear my mom screaming from downstairs because she's mad. She's just told me that I have to get ready in like 20 minutes, and I'm pretty sure that 20 minutes already passed. So I think we should get quick and get done with the makeup. Since I'm going out, I don't want my makeup to look really heavy, so I did think of like applying my concealer, but I don't think it is really necessary since the base is actually covering a lot of my dark circles. I'm just gonna use the same Fit Me 128 foundation and just apply a little under my eyes and around my mouth, and use that as like a concealer. I honestly, like while doing like regular makeup and all that, I don't use concealer because I feel like it's too heavy and it feels too heavy for like every day. So I just apply my foundation as a concealer, and I think it does wonders. Next up, I'll be using this round fluffy brush to blend. Ow, I just put the brush inside my eyes. So we are done with blending, I guess. Let me check from up close. Yeah, pretty much done. I'm just going to set my under eyes now because, as I said earlier, I really do have like greasy under eyes and like nose area. So quickly setting it using the same Lakme powder. Now I'm gonna quickly do my blush, highlighter, lipstick, and then I think contouring my nose. Like in the last, we'll head to doing my eyes. This is gonna be one chaotic video. It's more like a get ready with me now. So yeah. Now as for blush, I've kind of quit applying regular powder blush, and it's only for like the summer season, I guess. I don't know. I literally don't know when I'm gonna start applying the powder blush which I have again because it's so beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love it. But yeah, recently I've been using this Maybelline cream lipstick in the shade Clay Crush because I had this lipstick since a very long time and it is like such a nude shade. I mean, if I apply this on my lips, it'll wash me off. So I didn't want to use this on my lips, and suddenly one day I just tried it on my cheeks as blush, and it looks so pretty. And also because it gives that kind of glowy effect, I have started applying this. So yeah, I am going to be using this, and I'll be applying it on my cheekbones like so, giving that lifted face effect. I think in this video you'll get a lot of insight into how I usually get ready. So I actually don't apply foundation when I go out. Like if it's just normal shopping or something like that, I don't apply foundation because it starts to feel cakey and heavy, and I don't like that. But if I am like going to somewhere actually fancy like a restaurant or something like that, and then I do apply foundation. But otherwise I just apply concealer and this steps which I'm going to be doing forward. So yeah, I'm going to be taking the same lipstick and like contouring my nose like so. Yeah, that's literally it. And a little on my eyes, a little on my chin. Now I usually like blend it off right away just like that, but because we have applied a lot of powder today, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup base again, and like we're gonna place a few dots and then blend it because it'll be a lot more liquidy, I guess, or like easy to blend that way. So yeah, and just only on cheeks though, because other areas, okay, on chin also. Now I actually use my hands to blend it. Sometimes when I do want to feel really fancy, I use the blush brush which I have to blend it, but I think it works really nice if I blend it with my hands using my fingers. So I just tap it like so, and also make sure that it doesn't go near my under eyes because that will look not so good. And also one thing that I usually do is I don't apply and leave it on my skin like this. I apply one stroke, I blend it immediately and then go to the other stroke. So that's also one technique that I use, I guess. I think it gets blended beautifully when I use my fingers more than when I use my brush. Okay, blending on my nose is getting difficult. I'm sorry if I keep looking at the mirror, I just can't look at the camera and do it. Blending blush is done, contouring nose is done. Pretty much highlighting my face is also done, but I do like to go overboard with highlighting my face because I love that glowy, dewy effect on your skin. I mean, I have to be honest, I can't lie to you guys. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Clearly Broken by Me because I'm just too clumsy to have nice, neat makeup products. I always break it, and like literally my blush, my highlight and contour palette, my highlighter, everything's broken in the sense, not the product but the not the actual product, but the I don't know, the containers, they are broken because I've made them fall so many times. I'm going to be using this brush. I honestly don't know what this brush is called. If you do know, let me know in the comment section. I'll just say this is my highlighter brush, and applying a little stroke on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and on the tip of my nose, my favorite, and highlighting my forehead also a little with the whatever is left in the brush. Now it's time to do my eyebrows. I'm speaking a little more loudly because there's some background noise going on again. Yeah, let's not get annoyed by it and get my eyebrows done. Also, I want to give you guys my vanity table tour once because I have my own way of organizing things and keeping my regular makeup separate and things that I do for fancy makeup separate. I love makeup, don't judge me. Anyways, I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil which is almost at its last stage of life, and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this mirror. It's gonna come in the way, but please try to adjust because I need a close up when I'm trying to do my eyebrows. So I guess that's it. We are done. That's literally how I do my eyebrows. I don't pay much attention, and I don't even know if this is good or not, but I'm just doing what I do usually. Yeah, we are done with eyebrows as well. Now it's time to do the underliner. Anyways, for the under eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Kajal by Zudio. Yes, let's go. So first you have to draw a wing and then line your waterline, I guess. I'm just trying. I'm just doing whatever I remember from the reel, because if I have to rewatch the reel again, I have to take out my phone from the tripod and it's also annoying. So we are not going to do that. And I'm just going to follow the technique which I remember, which is fine. Now it's time to apply mascara. I don't know if I've done a right thing or not, but I hope it is the right thing. My mom's gonna be like, why are you coming down looking like a ghost? But yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, we are done with both the eyes, as you guys can see, and I think it is pretty cool. I look scary and hot at the same time. Anyways, let's move on to lips and complete the look, and then I'm gonna get changed, film a short reel real quick, and then we're gonna head outside, because or else my mom is gonna kill me. I mean, I'm pretty sure she is already gonna kill me, so yeah, we better make it fast Also, a real quick review about Zudio Kajal. I think it's one of the best out there. It is so pigmented and waterproof, smudge proof. I think it's one of the best. You have to get your hands on it. It is also really affordable, so it's like a great product. And I think Zudio has been up with their makeup products game, and they are like, most of their products are amazing. And with respect to the price that they give them, I think they are doing really amazing. Also, I forgot to show you guys the lipstick that I'm going to be applying today. It's the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Lipstick in the shade Brown Souvenir. I'm not sure if I've pronounced it right, but yeah, anyways, let me quickly apply this. This is honestly such a beautiful lipstick. I used to never apply this before, but I'm in love now. And yeah, done with today's makeup. It's time to end this video. I feel really bad to be going. Okay, let's not be dramatic. Yeah, it's time to end this video. I hope you guys liked this makeup look. I'm not sure how the under eyeliner is looking on me, but I think it is nice. Yeah, I just thought I should be showing you guys my like after getting ready. So I wore my outfit and like sprayed on perfume and fixing spray, and then did my hair. I just need to wear a little jewelry, and then I'm ready to leave. My mom has been calling me so many times. Yeah, I need to go now. I just thought I should be showing you guys this real quick before going. Yeah, I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.